But I think I'm just gonna. Anywho, I just dropped Renaya off at the nail shop because I didn't go to the nail shop. This thing is wobbly. Oh, my baby waking up. I didn't go because my baby, he really don't feel all that great. His nose was running. And so he's with me. And I'm not gonna take my baby to no nail shop. And there he go. There he go crying. Oh, it's my boy. Oh, I think I'm gonna cut this short. Okay, he's quiet now. I don't know. I think because the car was stopping when we was at the little stop sign or whatever that was. But when the car come to a stop, he cries. So I have to go get him some more medicine. The one I got is like for mucus and cough, and it's making his nose run more because, you know, it's getting rid of the mucus. I need something for runny nose. So I am going to see if I would have never stopped breastfeeding, I wouldn't have had these issues. But y'all know he's catching a cold or whatever it is because we had to leave in the snow. Y'all know about Texas. I know y'all seen it all over social media and the news. Blackouts. So yeah. And then the people, I'm about to hold up. This is about to be a whole rant. The people like on the shade room and stuff in the comments like, oh my gosh, Texas get a little snow and don't know how to act and they some crybabies. And no, we don't care about no snow. It's the blackouts for us. The blackouts, like, how do I get right here? The black, look at this cop. You're a whole clown. Anyway, it's blackouts. And then our power didn't go out because of a storm. Our power was going out because they was turning our power off. The electric companies was turning our stuff off. It's called rolling blackouts to reserve energy. All this stuff is supposed to have been off for 15 to 45 minutes, and no, it was not. It was okay. The first night our power had went off in the middle of the night for like 30 minutes, and then it did it again like an hour later for like 30 minutes. But the next day around maybe 5, almost 6, the power went off and it never came back on. But luckily our apartments are like almost 3 years old, so they new apartments, so the insulation is like great. Like our apartment was still warm, and we got people running in and out because it's just us, so our apartment was fairly warm and we just stayed there. But the next morning we had got packed up and we went to my sister's house. Look at me, my one piece. Huh? It's ice under the snow.
Ice. I mean, it's water under the ice.
So this is the ice I couldn't get over. See, that's ice.
It's sinking in.
Look at all that stuff. Okay, you guys. So we're at my sister's house. This is the playroom. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. I'm a big boy. He's a big boy. And there go the twins. The twins are right here. Madison and Mason. Hey, don't judge them. They're looking a little rough. You see? This is gonna be us tonight. This gonna be us tonight. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Because I know some people was in worse situations. So yeah, people are going like 30 hours without power. And like people are sitting in their cars, charging up their phone, trying to get some warmth. And it's just like, it's crazy out here, y'all. Pray for Texas. Pray for Texas. Because everybody power wasn't off. Some people, they pick and choose. Pick and choose. Right? While they talking about some crowd back. No, we ain't got no food. And then the grocery stores. Boom. Did y'all see them grocery stores? Empty. Empty, empty. We had some food though. Like we had groceries and all that. But I ain't pack up none of that stuff to go over there. Like we didn't have, it was nothing. Like, so the people that didn't have food, they couldn't even go out and get food. And then everybody pipes was busting. Like, so people, they so dumb to what they don't know. So I was just like in the comments arguing with everybody like I'm retarded. But okay, where's this Chick-fil-A at? Because I'm hungry. But yeah, and so me, I'm sitting here arguing with these folks because no. Anyway, so yeah, so I forgot what I was saying. Okay, so when we got back, okay, I was hearing, oh Lord. Okay, so you hear about everybody's pipes and stuff busting, and I'm just like, I got a text message or I was really taking a chance saying that but the internet company said my stuff was restored. So I was just like, oh, okay, so my power back on. So I went home. We had went home, like, what, we stayed over there, what, 3 days and 2 nights? I don't know, however. Anyway, when I went back home, when I was pulling up, it was a van, the carpet cleaning van thingy. And I'm like, dang, the pipes over here. And that was at my breezeway. And I'm like, the pipes over here. And I'm like, oh, please, God, please don't let it be us. We like facing each other. The whole other side of the building, I thought, was, they pipes busted. They had all their little carpet and stuff, the stuff that go up under the carpet. They had all that stuff out on the breezeway and all this stuff. It was so much ice on the ground from the water busting, like all over the. Whew. And I just like, I left the kids in the car. I heard them trying to go check my apartment. It was clear. A little, like maybe 30 minutes later, the maintenance man, they knocked on the door and they was like, we trying to come assess the damages, trying to take pictures and stuff, and you know, help you get your apartment cleaned up. And I was like, there's nothing wrong with my apartment. They was like, you didn't call us? I'm like, no. They was like, everybody else called them. So that's my testimony, because why I was the only apartment in the building that didn't get flooded out. Like God is good. Like seriously, like that's my testimony for real. Because like, you know, people already got to worry about being cold and sitting in their cars to warm up and charge their phone and do all this stuff, and you got to worry about your apartment flooding. It's just too much. It's just too much. I don't think I'm gonna be able to stand and sit in this line, because I know my baby probably gonna wake up. Anyway, but yeah. So that's that. And that was a whole little moment of this past week. It's crazy. It's really crazy out here. These people didn't have no lights. They kept turning people's lights off. And yeah. So the storm didn't knock the lights out. Okay. Look how I'm looking. But yeah, I'm in Chick-fil-A line. I don't know what to do. I want to try this the new chicken sandwich, the grilled one. Why is this line so long? Like, I don't even know if I want to come here, but I'm not even gonna pass another Chick-fil-A. I think I'm gonna get out this line. I'm really hungry though. Well, look how I'm looking. Can't get the nails done. Look how I'm looking. I'm hungry, y'all. This ain't it. Oh, I can't leave. I can't leave. I can't leave. Okay, I'm finna leave. Okay, yeah, I'm finna leave because this vlog gonna be a whole lot of talking. A whole lot of talking. A whole lot of. Oh, and I forgot to say this. We didn't have water. We still don't have water. No water. Like, we Flint out here. We don't even have water. And then they saying that we can't use the water to boil the water. First of all, they said parasites was in the water. Don't use the water because, I don't know, some stuff going on and, you know, they ain't cleaning the water. I don't even know. So, they saying boil the water. How you gonna boil a parasite after water? It's gonna disappear? No. And another thing is, how they gonna boil the water if they ain't got no electric? Child, these people out here. But they were saying that it was probably one more day. The boiled water thing should be lifted and all that, but I ain't seen nothing saying that it was lifted. So people still boiling their water. For us, we still had like, I bought my baby gallons of water. I got one right here actually. I bought my baby these. Like, so we had, and it's ice in there because it's been in this car. But yeah, we had a couple of those, and we had like a big pack of Aquafina water already, and it's like no water in the stores, and the corner store is charging us $7 for some water. So that sucks for people like that don't already have it. Whoop, child. And then I see people like, I was just about to move to Texas. Baby, we ain't got no room, first of all. That's first and foremost. We ain't got no room for nobody else. And I didn't know a bunch of people already stayed in Texas. Like a bunch of celebrities. They all stay in Houston. Baby. So I left and I went to another Chick-fil-A. And they was closed. So now I'm about to see if this Popeyes is open so I can try that fish sandwich. You want to try something new? Too bad. I don't want to cry if they not. And then how they serving their drinks if they can't use the fountain drinks? I don't want to. Ooh, I'm about to run into to the curb. So yeah, he just said that they're not doing, like, they're just like serving you regular drinks. No, sir, I don't want y'all drink pool. I want, just give me the sandwich and some fries because, boo. How y'all gonna get somebody a fountain drink when you don't supposed to use the water? Maybe, I don't know. I don't trust it. I be commenting on people's videos like, I just got all of my sweater. I be like, did you wash your hands? Because they be eating in the car. I'm so retarded. It's higher without the drink. I should just threw the drink away. Can I get some black and ranch and some ketchup?
catch you back in a moment.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Dang gosh. I stopped. I'm so hungry though. I'm so hungry. Oh. Why y'all didn't tell me Cardi was playing? Well, y'all don't tell me nothing. Here we go, y'all. It's pretty big. Big as my face. That's how it look. And they got pickles. Oh, hot. It's good. Never had flounder before. I like it. I might have to I can't drive and hold this. I might have to put that black ranch on it. Cause dude, it's good, but it tastes like it needs something with it. But that's hot. I might have to cook that fresh because it's fish. I've had to let that fish sit there. Like they've been doing them chicken sandwiches. I mean, I don't know if they're good. I'm just guessing. What y'all doing? Hot. I'm gonna set that down. I need to be dry. Because that's hot. The fry's hot too. I mean, y'all didn't have ketchup. And I don't want y'all to drink, but other than that, it's pretty fresh. I'll be back. Hey. Everybody. Oh my goodness. Look at my little baby. Look at my little baby. So slobbery. Sam was so slobbery.
No, ask my mama. No, ask
We are now in Walmart. Getting my baby some juice and stuff. Baby. Here go Renaya. Show them your nails that you went and got done.
Look at my new ring. I got it from Shein.
Sheen. And we at Walmart and they don't got nothing. When I say nothing. Stay right here, let me see some. Y'all. I was looking for something. Y'all, look at everything just wiped out. Now we on a hunt for my daughter because I told her to stay right there with my son. The girl done walked away. There she go.
I just got some fruit. I got some fruit smells.
Fruit smells. What is that?
And I got some of these.
You ain't go easy on that brand.
Because I wanted some Gushers, but they don't have.
They don't got
Gushers.
nothing. Whew. Baby. Oh, look at the cereal.
What's up, y'all? So, review on the fruit smells that I got from Walmart. Just take it.
No.
Let me get some more.
They got to see your mouth too, huh? We back at home. Look at my butt. We back at home, buddy.
With that stupid hat on.
It's cute. Oh. Anyway, we'll see y'all tomorrow or Monday. We can't do the Chick-fil-A until Monday. Oh, Lord. What is that?
Y'all don't know her. I tried to call me Bree.
Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.